Hello, this is me, Aliraza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here with a new video. So let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is it's a long question. Google Ads gave me a notification that my client was in violation of their customer match policies and we were suspended from customer match for 7 days. I believe this was triggered when we recently tried adding an audience segment to the campaign previously had none. However, this audience segment was set to uh, the observation setting, not the targeting setting. So I'm unsure how we validated the policy to begin with. We are using other targeting strategies like location targeting, but that's about it. I'm also not sure where to find any customer list that my client's previous ad manager may have implemented. As far as I can tell, there are none. But traffic has decreased substantially since we became in violation of this policy, even though we fully deleted our audience segment. Of course, Google's AI support responses are less than helpful. Okay, so for those who don't know, what you have to do is this is one of their account, and you have to say go to the audience, over here, and in the audience and the audience segment, you may find specific audiences or like a customer match. Okay, and the client tried creating one. Okay, let it get loaded. Okay, so here I am in the audience manager, and usually when you see an error where you see that you get a notification that your customer policy match policies are being in violation and you are being suspended from customer match for 7 days. So the best strategy is for right now is to remove the all the audience from over here, see the custom segments, anything over here, delete it, and then run your campaign for a few days, and then after it you can add your list again because you are banned for 7 days. Or you can hold it for 7 days and after 7 days delete it and re-upload it or recreate it. But still, in case if you see an error again, and I know that the Google AI support is very less helpful, then which is why you need a help like of a Google partner like us, because we have a dedicated manager which constantly helps with new accounts, issues, cases. So we may have to manually remove it out if there are no violations on the account, because I'm not sure what violations are being right now on the account. So what you have to do is, I simply suggest you is to simply re-upload it after 7 days and see if the problem still persists. You can hire me and my team to sort out all your ad issues. We also help with malware error, leading mystery presentation, circumventing compromise, malware, there any unwanted software, unreliable claim. I mean, there are so many Google ads issues, in which we help. So guys, if you are looking for a professional help, me and my team can definitely help you. So just hire us through the link in the description. We're gonna help you in sorting out all the Google Ads violation. We also help clients for Google Ads management, audit, and services as well. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, guys get a notification regarding this. So yeah, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.